The sky started glitching like a bad Wi-Fi connection. Then, portals just ripped open everywhere. A booming voice, which I guess was Earth itself, announced, "Multiplayer mode updated." And just like that, future humans arrived. They were riding these floating sidewalks, wearing sleek, smart suits that were literally arguing with them. They looked so confident, so superior. Then they saw the dinosaurs. I'll never forget the look on one guy's face. He just whispered, "Why are they breathing so aggressively?" The future team immediately started showing off their tech. They had floating cars that parked themselves, backpacks that unfolded into entire houses, and a smartwatch that ordered pizza from a satellite in space. One of their scientists smiled smugly and said, "We control matter now." Right on cue, a T-Rex let out a massive sneeze. The shockwave flipped 3 of their hover cars clean over. Earth's voice calmly added, "Matter still loses to teeth." So they decided to bring out the big guns. Their ridiculous future weapons. First, they tried mood-changing lasers to calm the dinosaurs down. It just made them angrier, but strangely more polite about it. Next came the time pause grenades. They froze everything in a 5-mile radius, except the dinosaurs. Apparently, dinosaurs didn't agree with the concept of time. Their final trick was teleport shoes. A soldier tried to zap to safety but teleported directly into a dinosaur's mouth. Earth's voice chimed in again. User error. It didn't take long for the dinosaurs to adapt. In fact, they learned the future tech almost immediately. I saw a velociraptor use a hologram projector to make itself look 10 times bigger. Another one was zipping around on a stolen floating scooter. The future commander just screamed, "They're learning!" That's when President Rex, the biggest T-Rex of them all, let out a deafening roar. And right below him, glowing subtitles appeared that read, "We watch tutorials." Suddenly, the ground cracked open, revealing a strange, ancient zone. As soon as the future soldiers stepped inside, all their tech just died. The floating scooters dropped, the smart suits went dark. But the dinosaurs, they seemed to power up. Something huge and ancient started moving in the shadows. Earth's voice whispered, "No updates allowed here." Finally, Earth spoke loudly one last time. Balance achieved. All the future tech just vanished into thin air. But the dinosaurs? They stayed. A future soldier, covered in mud and looking completely defeated, turned back in panic. "So we walked through time for nothing?" Earth replied. "For content." President Rex just smiled, showing all his teeth. "Worth it.